what is the nature of the engaging content? You're not tapping into people's fascination for tax, right? You're tapping into something else. So what is it that you are tapping into there?
There's a lot of things. There's a lot of things. Okay. And it's multifaceted. But I will touch on a few things. One of those things is, like I said, creating consistent content every single day. And that can be about things in your life. And it could be a variety of things. I talk a lot about real estate. I talk a lot about LinkedIn. I talk about creating communities. I talk about, my podcast that I have now. I talk about things that are happening in my business, not necessarily about what I do, but things that a lot of people can relate to. For example, today I posted something about a cold call I once made to $1 billion, corporation, and got chewed out by a CFO, and then turned that into a win, by responding in a positive way that actually ended after, in a sale. That's something everyone can relate to. Yes, it was about cost segregation, but anyone who's in a sales business or anyone that's in any business can relate to those sides. They've been on the sales call, on a receiving end, or, a calling end. So those type of things, right? Something's happening in your business. Again, that's just an example of something that's happening in your life or in your business that you can share, and people get to know you through that and relate to it.